Scarlet Witch has a skill that makes her vanish for 3 seconds. It also makes her invincible for 1 second. We'll explore how we can use this skill to improve our skill openings. The plan is to create a 50-50th situation. Vanishing removes us as a target, preventing the enemy from using iframes. Since Witch's Descent hits on its first frame, we can use it, while vanished without being challenged. Vanish also addresses the problem with Chaos Sphere, its long startup. In the 50-50th situation we create, we force the enemy to either take the damage or dodge. We can then follow up with our other skills to take advantage. As usual, our fourth slot has our Hex Shield, because this hits in an area. We can hit even if our opponent is moving around us. Lastly, we use the Silence option for Language of Demise. This one has a startup before it hits. Vanishing makes us add an element of surprise, making it hit easier. Before we proceed with the demonstration, I'd like to show exactly what the problem is with Scarlet Witch's startup frames on some skills. Note the first skill I use, which should avoid hits, but Web Shooter still hits because it's faster. I then try Silence, which is slower than Web Shooter again, and Baron Mordo's attack too. Now let's see Vanish in action, where we use it to create 50-50th situations. I'll use Vanish as my first move. Observe how the opponent reacts. Note the cast range of Vanish, it's quite far. Once Vanish cooldown finishes, I'll use it again to reset control, which is the state we started the match in. Let's confirm the cast range of Vanish for a moment. It seems to be castable at max sight range. One more demonstration on using Vanish to create 50-50th situations. A setup where we force the opponent to either dodge or take damage. It's important to note that any character can create 50-50th situations. With skills where you can't be targeted for a long time, you can dodge before they finish to give you invincibility. An example of this is Spider-Man's web swing dodge into Web Shooter. Thanks for watching and good fights out there.